back to another video. So today I've got another set of gel polishes from Umikk. This one is called, I think this one's called Vivacity Summer. I'll leave it up on the screen if I'm wrong, or if I'm right I'll still put it up on the screen. So it's another 21 colours with a base, a top and a matte top. These are the ones that are in the white bottles. I much prefer these. So they always come really well packaged like this. There's 3 rows, 2, 4, 6, 7 in each row, and you get your base gel. Your base, your top and your matte top are always in the 10mm, in the 21 colour sets anyway. They're 10mm and the colours are 5mm. So yeah, you get your base gel, you get your no wipe top gel, and you get your matte top gel. I love this matte top coat from this brand. I think I've said it every time I've done a swatch video. I love the matte top gel. Right, so like I've done with the other couple of sets that I've swatched, I'm going to start with the first row. And again, I'll swatch a couple of colours with you, and then I'll speed through the rest because it is 21 colours to get through. The colours are always on the top of the bottles as well with the numbers. I love that. Should I bring you down a bit now? You're a bit high, aren't you? Right, so we'll start by just giving one of these a base coat, just so we can see what it's like. I know what it's like, but for some of yous that don't know what it's like, we're going to have a look. So it's not a runny one, it's not a thick one, it's just a nice, yeah, it's just a nice consistency. It has got a little bit of a smell to it, this base coat. It's got a bit of a gel smell. So I'm going to cure this base coat in the lamp for 30 seconds. Make sure it's alright and it's got a tacky layer. And then we'll get these colours swatched. Right, whilst that's curing, I'm just going to get all the lids off these and we'll get started. Right, that's the lids. Oh, that's the lids off all of them. I'll just quickly show you the top coat and the matte top coat, because I will probably end up top coating them off camera. So this is a no wipe top coat, so it cures with no tacky layer. It's a bit thicker than the base coat. Again, it's just nice. It is, it's really nice. I've slowly started, I've emptied my nail racks and I've slowly started filling them with these Umikk gels. Right, and this is the matte top coat. It's a bit of a milky one, but again, it's not runny and it's not thick. It's lovely. It's a really nice matte top coat as well. Right, shall we get these swatched? So, the first one looks like a glittery one. Should I bring you even closer? Yeah, they're really, really nice gel polishes, these. I really like them. This looks like a really bright summery set. The colours in this one. The last set I got had a lot of nudes and pastels in it. This one looks like a really bright summery set. I like that. I haven't got anything like that. It's like a mermaidy, shimmery, bluey, greeny. It's beautiful. I like that. Right, next, this one looks like a minty green. Yeah, this is a nice minty green. I like that. They go on beautifully, these gel polishes. They're really opaque and pigmented. They're quite thin as well. It's I think that's why I like them. Because when you first feel the consistency and how thin it is, you think they're going to be a bit sheer and wishy-washy. And they're really, really not. Look at that one coat with a little bit of fluff. Beautiful colour that, isn't it? I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Right, so I'll do this one more with you, and then I'll stick some music on and get them done. So this is, I hate describing colours. I can't describe this one. It's a bit of a, I don't know, pistachio green. Would you say it's a pistachio green? That's a good description, isn't it? Maybe a bit of a pistachio. I don't know. But it's very pretty. Lime green-ish. Yeah, lime green-ish. Right, I'll stick some music on now and let you watch. Right guys, that's them all done. Oh my gosh, oh, they're so nice. Try to put them in some sort of order. First, I'm going to show you these ones. Oh my gosh, there's some shimmery sparkle ones. Look at them guys. I think them three are the same. They've got very, very similar effect. Aren't they stunning? Look at that blue. Oh my gosh. And then this one is slightly different. That pink is slightly different, I think. No, I think that's the same actually, isn't it? Oh my gosh. And then there's this baby pink. This has got a tiny, tiny bit of a sparkle in it. Can you see? I love these in matte. Look at that pink, blue and purple together. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. So pretty. That matte top coat is beautiful, isn't it? Right, so that's the shimmery ones. And then all the rest of them I've started from. These are all one coat. The shimmery ones I gave 2 coats to. These are all 2 coats. But all the rest are 1 coat. So we've got a white and some yellows. I don't like my swatch sticks that way. There, we've got a white and some yellows. I like that mustard kind of yellow, that's cute. And we've got a peachy kind of one, and purple. Look at them pinks. Look at that one. Now this one, I was going to give it 2 coats, but I've left it like it is because I like that as a jelly. It's a beautiful pink, isn't it? Gorgeous. Right, then we've got a couple of purples. Look at this blue, look at that blue. Look at that matte. It's such a good matte top coat. I love it. And then we've got a couple of greeny blueies. Oh my gosh, I love these. I've said it with every single collection I've had from this brand. You always get really unique colours in. They're not just your bog standard colours and glittery colours with tiny hexes in. They're really, really unique. Look at that pink in matte and that blue. They're beautiful. Real summery set, this one, isn't it? Trying to space them all out so you can see them. There's so many. Yeah, there's 21 colours. Look at them, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's 21 colours. They are only 5ml, but you got to remember, you only need 1 coat with these. You could get a 10ml bottle where you need 2 coats and you're still going to use it up just as quick. The fact that they are 1 coats. Oh, they're beautiful. They are beautiful. And your base, your no wipe top and your matte top are in big 10ml bottles. I absolutely love them. I will leave the link below. I'll leave at the end as well my other video. I've got another swatch video on these gels. These gels as well, they come in the white bottles and they've got some sets that come in. I'll show you. Some of their sets come in these black bottles as well. So there's them ones as well. But I absolutely love them. I absolutely love them. I love that there's a jelly slap bang in the middle. Random, but I like it. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Beautiful colours. I can't stop looking at these. Yeah, that's it. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.